Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be my very first episode. It's going to be an unboxing video, a simple unboxing video of my new camera, which is the Fujifilm X-T3, along with the 23mm 1.4 that I got for it. I will go into detail why I chose this camera over, say, the Panasonic S1H that's just been announced, and the Sony A7 III and the GH series from Panasonic. But that's going to be an episode later down the line. My name is V. Just a little bit about my background is I am or used to be a family and wedding photographer. Did that on the side for several years. For this camera, it's going to be mainly for video and street photography. No paid assignments or anything like that, just for my own usage. So it's going to be a very simple unboxing video. I haven't opened it yet. This was purchased through Amazon. Yeah, let's do it. Alright, let's start with the camera itself, the X-T3. It's a basic black box. It's made in China. Some papers, the manual. Camera body. There it is. Let's put this in. Charger. It's flash. Battery. Camera strap. Adapter for the charger. I don't know what this thing is. Looks like for the strap. So my first impression about the camera is that it's pretty sturdy. Looks to be well made. It's fairly light, and it's a pretty good size. I know that people were complaining about maybe it's too small, and they prefer it with the grip. I've had big cameras, and I say my preference would be smaller cameras. Everything fits pretty nice. Doors. Now let's unbox the XF23mm 1.4. This is made in Japan. It's like a lens pouch. Actually, no, looks like maybe a cleaning rag? I don't know. manual. It's the lens. So my first impression of the lens seems very well built, just like most of the Fuji lenses. It's all metal mounts, as you would expect from Fuji. It has a little heft to it. I feel like it almost weighs, it feels, I don't know what the actual weight is, but it feels as heavy as the X-T3 body. Unfortunately, it's not weather sealed like its F2 brother. Aperture ring clicks. It makes noise, so it will pick up in audio when you're filming video. This is smooth. I like this. With hard stops. This is the aftermarket lens hood I got for the lens. It's made by JJC. It also, let's see here, says it fits the 56 1.2 lens also. It's made of metal. It's extremely sturdy. This version actually comes with a cover, since you won't be able to use the lens cover that comes with the lens. Comparing this to the one that came with the lens, this is plastic. And let's see how it fits on the lens here. It's a very snug fit. The finish is very close to the original finish of the lens. It's very snug. I feel like this should have came with the lens or the design. I understand that Fuji actually makes one like this. This is an off-brand, sort of like a, I don't want to say like a knockoff, but extremely high quality. Well, hey, thanks for watching my unbox video. Again, it's my very first video. I was super nervous, but I hope you enjoy it. Flame suit on. Go ahead and make fun of me. That's right. Yeah, so this is a camera. I really like it. I will do a review, the best I can, maybe the upcoming week or so. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys tune in later in the future. Thank you.